dude, I'm buying like happy birthday supplies in case like I get stopped or some shit. I'm gonna say it's somebody's birthday. I'm fucking terrified, dude.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I said, hey, do y'all's receipts have times on them? And I was like, I want my fucking receipt, all right, lady? And I was like, you know what, give me that balloon too, all right? I want that balloon right there. I was making it look as fucking legitimate as it was. Dude, I bought a card. I bought the fucking letters that you blow out. I bought little...
No! Hit that one again?
Do it again.